Beat it up like. Beat it up like.
Taj, keep
what it do, cause you know it's your girl Sue. Hey everyone, you already know what channel this is, What It Do Sue. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you for coming into my channel, and if you're a returner, thank you as always for coming back and viewing my videos. Today, as you know what I'm saying, if y'all seen on my Instagram, if y'all me on Instagram or Snapchat, I'm doing a video about how I personally trim my hair. Everybody trims their hair differently from the next person, and so the way that I'm going to do it is a little bit different from the regular way that usually people trim their hair. So I want y'all to tune in to see exactly how I trim my hair, and maybe you guys can use this for your regimen, and so you guys can identify what parts of the hair is breaking off and want to snip them bad boys off, so then you can have your nice hair journey to be long and voluminous, so then you can be like Sasha. If y'all don't know who Sasha is, tune into my first video and I talked about who Sasha is and how important she is to me. So let's get to it, to this trim video, so y'all can see what I do with Sue. All right. My hair down the middle, nothing extreme. I'm actually not gonna talk.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm your basic average girl, and I'm here to save the world. You can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible, 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 impossible,
I know some of y'all are probably looking at me like, why are you blow drying your hair to trim it? When you have your curly hair, you don't want to usually cut it in this type of state. It's stretched out, it's blow dried, so hair looks a lot longer than it usually be when it's curly. But for me, I think it's best for me because when my hair is blow dried, I can realize it's like, it feels soft. Then once I get towards the end, like let's just say, if I get towards the end, like right here, I can feel that it's like very brittle, dry, like, you know, hay, and just looks horrible. You cannot use regular, schmegular scissors.
I'm just a regular, schmegular girl from the Bronx. What's poppin'?
You have to use specific shear scissors for your ends, just because they have a certain blade, and they normally they just cut them bad boys real clean. I just use these for my hair. I don't use them to cut paper or cut, you know, cut people off. You know what I'm saying? Gotta, you know, cut all the bad people off. I got this at CVS. It's so cute. I really like the design. So that's what my scissors look like. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do is grab a few sections of my hair. I'm gonna show it to you exactly where, you know, the healthy part of my hair is, and then where it does break off, so you guys can see where I identify the breakages. So here is my natural hair. You know what I'm saying? It's just very fine, whatnot. And then right about here, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but like it gets split up. So me personally, I can feel it right about here. So from this part right here, I can tell that from the rest of my hair, it looks like it's damaged. So I'll cut like this. This is how much of the dead ends I cut. Okay, let's get into it. And that's how I trim my hair. So this is the end of the video. I know a lot of you are either looking at me crazy because I was using the comb to, you know, basically blow out and straighten my hair. But like I said, and I demonstrated earlier in the video, that is how I identify where the breakage is. And for me, it's just easier for me to pull my hair and then trim it to see, so I don't have to do too much or not enough and so forth. Thank you all for tuning to this video. As always, please like, share, subscribe this video to your friends, your family, your mains, your girl, whoever needs, you know what I'm saying, a good trim and they just aren't really, you know, with it. Show them this video, then maybe they might be with it. All right, thanks for tuning in, and as always, thank you for watching What It Do, Sue.
If you need it, beat it on that beat, man, if you wanna